following the allegations of impropriety at the Kenya Medical Supplies Authority, better known as KEMSA, the relevant investigative agencies of our country are currently fully seized with the matter. However, given the compelling public interest on the matter, the relevant agencies should expedite their ongoing investigations and conclude the same within 21 days from the date hereof. Fellow Kenyans, in line with my stated public policy on zero tolerance to corruption, I want to once again reiterate that all persons found to be prima facie culpable as a result of those ongoing investigations should be brought to book, notwithstanding their public office or their political, and for that matter, their social status.